Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Jira issue templates for consistent tracking step by step clearly. To activate Jira issue templates for consistent tracking, start by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to your project's dashboard. Look for the project settings option in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Issues. In the Issues section, find and select issue types. Here, you will see a list of existing issue types. Locate the type you wish to modify or use for your templates. Click on the Edit button next to the chosen issue type. In the editing window, scroll down to find the Templates section. If you don't see the Templates section, you need to enable it through the app settings. Exit the issue type editor and go back to the project settings. Find and select Apps in the left-hand sidebar. Search for Issue Templates for Jira in the Apps Marketplace. Once located, click on Get It Now to install the app. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installation, return to your project settings. Select Issues again and then Issue Templates. Here you can begin creating your templates. Click on the Create Template button. Fill out the template fields, including the title and description. Customize any additional settings as needed. Once done, save your new template. To use your template, return to the project dashboard. Initiate the creation of a new issue. You will see an option to apply a template during the issue creation process. Select your desired template to load its predefined settings. Fill in any remaining fields and click Create. Your issue will now reflect the consistent format from the template. Repeat the process to create more templates as necessary. By activating Jira issue templates, you ensure a standardized approach to tracking issues across your organization. This will improve collaboration and clarity among team members. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.